Looking for the best Magento 2 hosting provider? The best providers offer tailored features and benefits to optimize your e-commerce platform. Stay tuned as we explore how to choose a hosting provider that ensures high uptime and reliable customer support. Autoscaling uses monitoring tools to track key performance metrics like CPU usage and network traffic. Caching stores frequently access data in a cache to speed up your Magento 2 store. CDN is a network of servers distributed globally that stores copies of your static content. Here are the criteria for choosing the best Magento 2 hosting. Look for reliable hosting providers that guarantee high server uptime and make your store accessible. Fast store loading and responding time improves user experience and search engine rankings. The geographical location of your hosting server can impact your store's performance and user experience. Look for hosting providers that prioritize security measures like SSL certificates and firewalls. Look for reliable and responsive customer support providers that offer 24/7 support through multiple channels. Look for providers that offer built-in caching solutions to improve store performance. Next off, let's talk about the top 5 Magento hosting providers for growing catalogs. MGT-COMMERCE offers fully managed hosting solutions for growing e-commerce stores. Nexus offers optimized server stacks and advanced security measures. SiteGround provides optimized hosting with built-in caching and advanced security features. Hostinger offers VPS and cloud hosting with reliable uptime and fast response times. Bluehost provides easy installation options and 24/7 customer support. Choosing the best Magento 2 hosting provider is essential for the success of your e-commerce store. The right provider ensures high uptime, fast response times, robust security, and excellent customer support. That sums up our overview of best Magento 2 hosting providers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share.